everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. I want to thank ElephantStock.com for sponsoring today's video. If you haven't heard of ElephantStock.com, they are a website that sells beautiful canvas art. It comes in a variety of different sizes and shapes to suit your needs. So when they reached out to me, I was actually very excited because there's this one wall in our hallway in our house that I have not decorated for 3 years. And that is the entire time we have been living in this house. I couldn't find anything that I loved enough to put on the wall in that hallway until I linked up with ElephantStock.com, and they had exactly what I wanted. That's what's in this big old box. As a lot of you guys know, I decorate my home in a farmhouse theme. So as you can see, I love antiques, I love barns, I love wood and things like that. And one of the things that I love to decorate with is actually like barns, like really old barns. So I have 2 already in my house and I will show them to you guys here. I have this one, I got a Hobby Lobby, and I have this one that I built a frame around that I got from another website, but I just couldn't find anything else that I really wanted for this big hallway, and I'll show you guys my hallway as well. There is this gigantic wall, and also where the light switch is, I just couldn't figure out what can I put there that is not gonna be like super awkward. So when ElephantStock.com reached out to me, I took a look at their products, I looked at their reviews and everything before I decided to jump in, and I was so happy with what I found there that I couldn't wait to share it with you guys. So I found a piece that I really loved, and it is an old barn. And it is big because I think that wall really needed something big. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this for you guys and show you what I got and talk about the quality and things like that. So let's get started. Okay, so I thought I would bring this gigantic box over here. I don't have much other space to do this because this is a very good sized box, as you guys can see. I am lifting it without a problem. I'm 5'2", so this box isn't too bad. Also, this box took about 6 days to arrive once I ordered it, which is not bad for a piece this size. So I think that's pretty great. So let's go ahead and open it. They just have a few pieces of tape here on the top, but it feels really secure. I'm curious to see how they packaged it though. So there we go. I think I'm just gonna pull it straight up. There we go. Oh, it's a little bit more difficult when you try to do it this way. I may have to tilt it. There we go. I figured it out. Okay. So my canvas is a little bit different because a lot of the canvases they offer don't have a frame, but I wanted the floating frame just because they said it was made out of wood, which means I can paint it and distress it because you guys know I love to do that kind of thing. So here we go. Just put that there. And this over here, this is how it's packaged up. It looks very secure. They used like a saran wrap type of material here. It feels really taut, so they made sure that that is very secure. And then they put a big piece of cardboard over the top as well. All right. I'm so excited to see what this looks like in person because the picture on the website actually is like really cool. Whoa. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I have it upside down. I'm gonna look at it first. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, I'm so excited. This is gonna look so cool in my hallway. All right. Okay, so it does have, let me see what we've got here on the floor. So it comes with the hardware already. It looks like this one can be hung in 3 places. I may or may not decide to do all 3. I mean, usually I just do 2 when I hang things. All right, so, but it does come with the hardware that you can hang it with. So I'm just gonna basically need, unless they included it, I don't think they did, I'm just gonna need like a couple anchors and some screws to make this happen. I cannot wait to show you guys what this looks like, but I do wanna get the plastic off first. It's really nice though. I'm really happy with it. Let you guys see it a little bit. It's so cool. It's really, really nice. Ah! All right, here we go. Oh, that is so cool. Look at, I'm gonna pick it up and show it to you guys. Doesn't that look just awesome? Hopefully it's not focusing on me. Can you guys see that? Oh, it is so pretty. And the quality is just fabulous. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and lay this flat so you guys can see it as good as I can see it. Guys, this is the image, and I am filming in 4K so you guys can see it real well. But just the quality of this canvas is so good. I mean, the details are so good. And the colors are great. They look just like they did on the website. So that is saying something. When you buy something online and it doesn't come the same color, I mean, that's kind of a bummer. But this actually is exactly how I saw it on the website. So this is really cool. I can't wait to hang this up. They also have a great return policy. So for if any reason you aren't happy with your purchase, ElephantStock.com offers free returns within 60 days, no questions asked, to the US and Canada. So as I mentioned, this is super high quality. Love it. One of the other things that they say on their website is that this is actually treated with a waterproof substance. So if your kid accidentally splashes their juice on it, you don't have to worry about that. It's not going to just seep into your canvas art. It's going to just wipe off, which is great. Now, I did also say this has a floating frame around it, which I personally love. I think it really creates a more finished looking product. But if you don't like that idea, you can also just get regular canvas art, and you can also get different sizes. So if you need a specific size for a specific space, then there's tons of options. There's not just like a giant one like I have. So I think that's awesome. Also, these products are made in the USA. Love that. Also, if you guys love this particular piece, I will link it down in the description below for you. But let's hang this up. So here we are in my big empty hallway. Like, this is the wall that I was sharing with you guys earlier. I mean, this is my laundry room here, and then there's a bathroom over here, and then there's this light switch that is placed in a very bad spot. Like, I didn't know what to do with this space, but I think that this is gonna look perfect here. Looking at it against the wall here, I think it's gonna be just the right size. So I'm really excited. And as I mentioned, there's a room here and a room here. These are both my boys' rooms. So when they come out in the morning, they'll be able to see it right away instead of just this big blank wall. So I think they're gonna really like it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to measure out the two furthest ones. I don't think I'm gonna hang it from the middle one. I just don't think it really needs it. But I'm gonna hang on these two sawtooth hooks that they included on the back here. So let's go ahead and get started. Well, you guys, I got it up, and I think it looks great here. I think the size was just right, and I think my boys are gonna love it when they come out of their rooms in the mornings. So I think it just looks beautiful. The colors are just perfect. I cannot wait to paint this frame though. I'm gonna do like a off-white and then scuff it up, of course, to make it look distressed. So that's gonna be really, really pretty when I'm done with it. And I'm just really happy to not have a big blank hallway wall anymore. Overall, I've been very happy with ElephantStock.com. The shipping process was super easy, like 6 days is not a very long time to wait. The quality of the product is amazing, and also it kept it very protected when it arrived as well. The resolution on the image is just beautiful. So I'm really happy with it, and I would definitely recommend them if you have a specific space that you are looking to fill or you need a certain size of a piece of art, then I would definitely look at ElephantStock.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here. Thank you so much for watching!